Hi, this is Leanne from Global Media Networks with the Business Roundup for the day. SoftLogic Finance PLC is negotiating a $10 million loan facility from Netherlands FNO. Now, the planned financing comprises of $6 million in senior loan and $4 million in unsecured convertible subordinated loan. Now, SoftLogic Finance said if this facility is extended, the company would be unique as it has a convertible subordinated facility that has an option to convert into equity at a pre-agreed strike price based on the net asset value. And we see that Haley's PLC said that its subsidiary, Kalani Valley Plantations Pedro Estate in Norelia, is not suitable for an airport. Now, Haley's chairman Mohan Panditake said in response to the reports that Pedro Estate has been identified for the proposed airport. Now, he also said that the Pedro remains a showpiece of the Kalani Valley plantations as well as the tea industry owing to record auction prices its tea fetches. Now, in addition to its tea served for Queen Elizabeth's Diamond Jubilee recently. We also see that Sri Lanka has lost money by buying Greece government bonds for its foreign reserve portfolio, but returns on the assets have offset the losses, the central bank said. The investment in Greece bonds were a small fraction of the central bank total euro portfolio, and the loss of the Greek bonds was comfortably offset by higher returns from other investments, central bank said in a statement. Looking at more business news, we see that it has been planned to establish an academy, a space academy next year in a 30-acre land in the Kogal area to train astronauts. It will be a joint venture between Supreme Satellite Private Limited Colombo and China's biggest satellite manufacturing institution, the Great Wall Corporation, which is the CGWIC. Now, the company will invest $20 million for this BOI project. The company will build a satellite ground station in Kogalan. The company will sell satellite facilities to other countries as well. Now, the establishment of this company will save a large sum of money being spent to obtain foreign satellite services. The company has decided to offer the satellite services free of charge to the Disaster Management Ministry so that they could predict natural disasters in advance. Established in 1980, the CGWIC is the sole commercial organization authorized by the Chinese government to provide satellites, commercial launch services, and to carry out international space cooperation. The company has signed 9 contracts with international customers for manufacture and in-orbit delivery of telecommunication satellites, out of which 4 have been launched into orbit, whilst the other 2 are set to be launched next year. We see that Sri Lanka's Maravilla Resorts PLC is planning to add yet another 56 rooms to its leisure facility located in Maravilla at a cost of 350 million Sri Lankan rupees. The stock market filing said the board of directors of the company has given the approval to the move. Maravilla Resorts PLC is a listed firm in the Colombo Stock Exchange. Another very interesting article was the Professional Golf Tour of India has chosen Sri Lanka to host one of its main annual golf competitions, which will be held during the next month in Colombo. The 4-day tournament, which is titled as the Standard Chartered Open 2012, will see the presence of leading Indian players taking part. Now, we also have local golfing stars who are also prominent in the Professional Golf Tour of India. Members such as Mithun Pereira and Anura Rohana, too, will take part in the upcoming Professional Golf Tour of India golf tournament. The tournament is expected to be kicked off on the 15th of August and will run up to the 18th of August at the Royal Colombo Golf Club. The venue of the tournament, the Royal Colombo Golf Club, is the oldest golf club in Sri Lanka, which has been established in the 1880s. And lastly, we see that Sri Lanka's logistics sector in international ranking has improved from 137 to 81 in the World Bank Logistic Performance Index of 2012. Sri Lanka has made progress in the index thanks to the improvements it has made in such areas as customs, infrastructure, international shipments, logistics, quality and competence, tracking, tracing and timeliness. The ratings, which is conducted once in every 2 years, is based on 6,000 individual country assessments by nearly 1,000 international freight forwarders who rates 8 foreign countries their company serves most frequently. Now, the World Bank's Logistics Point Index focuses on 6 components. Among them, ranks such as efficiency of clearance process by border control agencies, the quality of trade and transport-related infrastructure, the ease of arranging competitively priced shipments, the competence and quality of logistics services, and the ability to track and trace consignments. Now, with that, I round up the news for today. Thank you very much for listening, and see you again tomorrow.